Spread these into 3. That way they're not just stuck together. Then you take this one and do it into 3. See? Put them together. Get it right past the yellow, or whatever color wire it is. And you hold this in and twist it. Then you hold this in and twist that. Now, get your little handy dandy. Oh, got a booger there. Saddle cover up. Hold it right there at the end. Let it change colors. Just like that. And that gets hot. Let it cool for a minute. Give it a tug. And take the other piece of shrink wrap. Try to get on it. When you put it on, you just kind of spin it. And it goes right on. And I got a booger right there I'm going to have to fix. See it sticking up right there? Just like that. Put it on and then shrink it. Just like that. You ready to do the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.